I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics you might skip. Check hydraulic fluid and engine oil, and top them to the Home Depot splitter spec if low. Once done, move the machine to level ground, chock the wheels, and engage the parking brake so it won't roll. Put on gloves, safety glasses, and steel-toe boots, and clear the area of people and tripping hazards. Now place a stable log cradle or support, align a medium log with the wedge, and keep your hands away from the beam. You'll start the engine following the manual sequence. Choke if cold, set throttle to run, and prime the pump if necessary. Let it warm briefly. Once running, control the lever with deliberate, smooth inputs. Don't force partial strokes. Allow the hydraulic ram to finish full travel to avoid stressing the pump. After each split, release the lever fully, lower the beam, and use a push stick or log hook to reposition wood. Split from the middle outward for knots, and work progressively larger pieces rather than fighting dense sections. You finish by lowering the ram to its rest position, reducing throttle and stopping the engine. Then follow the manual to relieve hydraulic pressure before walking away. Wipe down the machine, inspect the wedge and ram for chips or bends, and tighten any loose fittings while cleaning up fluid spills to prevent hazards. If the ram hesitates or stalls, check hydraulic fluid level and temperature, replace or clean the filter, check belt tension, and bleed trapped air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.